All right, here's another video showing the way I print. There's no explanation but visually seeing how my printer works. First off, I mount the filament over here on the side because it's a direct path into the extruder right here. No arms, levers, gizmos, or gadgets to redirect the filament when it goes straight in, straight through. This is the plastic extruder body, all right? Not the metal extruder that you constantly will have problems with. It doesn't need to be calibrated. If that arm ever breaks or cracks or goes to another planet, just replace it. It's like $3, 5 minutes, and you're back to printing for another 5.5 years. I don't understand why they bother changing it when this was designed for this printer. Okay, no recalibration, no nothing, no bullshit. This is the white Bowden tube. This is how the filament gets from over there through here, because it pulls it and pushes it down the Bowden tube into the top of the hot end. Pretty simple, pretty basic. There's nothing here to redirect the filament. No bullshit. No direct drive, nothing. Just filament goes in and through and out. That's it. So if troubleshooting is a problem, all you have to deal with is extruder, Bowden, hot end. No direct drive, no bullshit here to fiddle with to mess things up. No probe, no electronic tramming, okay? Doesn't need auto level when you can just use this. It's a piece of paper, okay? Not a feeler gauge, it's a piece of paper. That's used to tram the bed when needed. We got the original springs, not yellow ones, not chunks of rubber. All right, just the original springs. Right there. The bed is user's choice. It's user preference. I prefer to use a mirror. I prefer to use tape. Okay? It's user's preference. I'm not redesigning the printer to print PLA. All right? So all of the parts that were, part of the printer 5.5 years ago are still in use today. All right? No warping. All right? No curling. Now there it is. That's it. And this printer was done on a non-heated bed. Okay, so let's pull this forward. So there's nothing to mention, nothing to talk about when it comes to how this printer works. It's shown, it's proof right here. It's this, and that. There's no stringing, right? There's no stringing in between the parts here. No stringing between the parts, right in here. Okay. So this is how this printer works. Okay. Nothing more. It's your basic Ender 3 classic printer. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Plastic extruder, standard Bowden tube, regular hot end, table. Okay, so that's it. Happy printing.